As you can see, I lied. It's not a conversation. Sorry about that. It's not a conversation. So it's still about the articles, right? And we have a couple of more words we're going to go over very quick because we saw a lot of them. With la, for instance, we have tap tap la, pot la, sac la, reg la, cassave la, chat la. Now with article a, we just saw article la, no, article a. Ba, diria, bleia, teia, autoa. Article un. Pain, salon, divin, ban, camion. Article nan. Cabane, machin, madame, jeune. Now the plural one, those were singular, but E is the plural one, right? Which is yo, caio, livio, junalio, becanio. Becanio. Indefinite now. Yon is the article. Now you will see what the definite, it was after the word, but now you're going to see it's going to be before the word. What's the indefinite? Yon crayon, yon cahier, yon plume, yon livre. Yon crayon, yon cahier, yon plume, yon livre. Now, you know the trick. If you see the word, you don't understand it, you go on Google. If you don't know what it means, go on Google and you look it up, right? That's right. Like, for instance, yon crayon is a pencil. Yon cahier, a notebook. Yon plume, a pen. Yon livre, a book. All right? The other ones, please, you can just go and Google them. Let's move to the next slide right now.